Here we have a quick rundown of the ingredients that we will be using today for our red velvet bundt cake. As you can see here, we have cream cheese, food coloring, eggs. I'm going to be using a touch of coffee, unsweetened cocoa powder, unsalted butter, canola oil, baking soda and baking powder, salt, vanilla extract. We have white vinegar, all-purpose flour, and white granulated sugar. We're also going to be using buttermilk, but it's not shown here because I'm going to be making my own. But other than that, these are the ingredients that we will be using. So let's get started. And anything that's in the bottom, I'm just going to push it right on through. In a separate bowl, I have 1 stick of butter, 1/4 cup of canola oil, and 2 cups of granulated sugar. I'm now going to prepare my buttermilk with the food coloring. And one of these is 2 teaspoons. That's what this little container is of red food coloring. So I'm going to finish pouring up my measurement for the food coloring, and then I'll come back and add it to my buttermilk. Okay, here you can see I have 1 tablespoon, if you can see that. 1 tablespoon of the food coloring that is going to go into the buttermilk. Okay, I have a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vinegar that I'm adding into my butter mixture. I have 1 tablespoon of coffee I'm adding in. I almost forgot my salt, so I put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt there. Alright, so it looks like it's pretty well blended. Alright, I'm going to start with my dry mix first. I'm using about 3/4 of a cup. Then I'm going to add my red buttermilk mixture. as this sits out, it will run, so don't worry about it sitting on top the way it is now, because it's going to run. Just the way I need it to. That is plenty. And this is our red velvet bundt cake. Alright, I have one more addition I need to add. And if you know me, around here we waste nothing. So what I did with the remaining batter that I had, I made a few cupcakes, and I have topped it with a little icing and chocolate covered cherries. Alright, this is our end result of all the mixing and pouring that we did. And this is what we got. I think it turned out okay, guys. Let me know how you guys like the recipe, if you actually try the recipe, how it turns out. And I thank you for stopping by today. Happy New Year, everyone. And I hope that this year holds tremendous blessings and miracles for you. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous new year.